Today I'm going to be reviewing Ousmile's gym clock. Large stopwatch, countdown timer, comes with a button. You do need to plug it into a socket. It has USB to USB-C, and then they give you a wall adapter. This cord, I'm going to show you what it does before I pull it up here. You can have a button, so if you're working out, you want a stopwatch, you want a timer, you want it to count down, you can do all of that by just pressing the button there. Now it comes with a remote. That is really the only way to control this. You can do a few things, but you can go, for instance, go to the clock. You can go if you want to count up, if you want to count down, and then you've got a stopwatch here. So if you want that, this is what the button looks like right here. So you can have this up on your wall. If you're working out, you can have this up on the wall and just stop it where you need it and then go back, or just have the clock. It's actually really convenient. The only thing I would say is that you do have to use the remote. When the alarm goes off, sometimes it doesn't stop right away. It just goes until it goes. You can try to hit exit on here. Other than that, it's actually a really good idea. This actually doesn't do too bad. It's an Amazon choice, gets 4.4 stars. And last month, over 400 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.